It reminds me of 2011 World Cup. The moment I crossed the rope, I could feel that energy. World Cup final is always special. Sport has the power to speak a different language to you. All the best. Good luck. I think the standard of cricket that they have produced has been remarkable. All the participating teams have come out and given their best, and it's been a treat to watch them. They've inspired thousands and thousands of young girls across the globe. It's a mega occasion. A big congratulations to all the players who've participated. Being an Indian, I have to say that yes, my heart is with Indian team, and a big congratulations to them for having played the way they have.